Hey everybody, today is Friday, the 21st day of February, 2025. It's about 2:48 in the afternoon, and right here should give you a little bit of a hint of where we're at. And by now, at least in a minute, you're going to know what our plan is anyway, and our theme. I'll say it that way. You'll definitely know the theme. But this is the entrance I've been wanting to show into this particular town for several days now, but it's been cold, so I'm trying to use an audio recorder for my voice, but it's been messing up lately, so I don't know how good it's going to be. But it's windy, it's cold, it's been bitter cold since Wednesday. This is actually the warmest day we've had since Wednesday. It's around 40 degrees right now and feels around freezing, or 31, something like that. So forgive my shivering and shaking and all of that, because it is cold, and I've actually come down with a little bit of a head cold, a sinus thing or something. So, sorry for that in advance. But let's make this a short video and show you what I want to show. Okay, now if the first sign I just showed you in the last clip didn't tell you where we're at, well, you can see it right there. You see it's got a nice little archway there. Kind of puts you in a little bit of mind of the Alamo here to me. But anyway, that's the sign there you can see, and around here they have the same thing right there, so you can see the whole stone wall. I'll back up just a little bit. Yeah, there you get the whole thing. And here's the gate to come into this place. We have been here for 3 nights now. Tonight will be our 4th and final, and we're leaving tomorrow. And I won't tell you to where, but we are going to another state park. So we are going to, I'm trying to get a little bit of this video today because, like I said, it's cold. And it's been bitter cold. Wednesday was the worst day ever. Yesterday was not any better, really. And then today's a hair bit better, but it's still freezing cold to me. But you can see the chapel up there. We're going to head up that way, and I'll show you that. And I'll show you a little bit right around this area, and that'll be it for this video, okay? Stick with me. All right, so you can see by this area is open sunrise to sunset. They don't want you sitting or walking on the historic rock walls, and you can see them down through there. But anyway, this here's the chapel building. Get a look at it here. Let's take a look at the sign. And you can pause this and read this. And then pause that and read all of that. And you'll get your history right there. And anyway, over here you can see is another thing they set up right there, so you can pause that and read that. You see the trees lining this rock wall, and then the building all the way up there. That's pretty tall up there, I can tell you that. We're going to go over here and see if this thing's open. Man, ooh, that wind. Yeah, it looks open. Alright, so there's the entrance right there. Okay. I know I recorded this some years ago. We've been here a couple of times in the past for little day trips. Okay. Well, there ain't a whole lot in here, but you can see the length of it there. That's coming up good. Nice blue ceiling up there. That's supposed to be Jesus, but it's not. And then you can see in here, got 2 candles burning. It feels so much better in here. There's no wind. That wind is the killer. Here's the outside where we came in at. So you can see the doors from in here. They look pretty dark from here, don't they? They've got squares on them. Right here is a little room. Please keep off so they don't want you going. See? Right there. Don't trick you. Yeah, they don't want you going up there. And I got this thing full of rocks here. A wall fragment reveals a story. Okay. So that's what this is. A fragment of the wall. Interesting. And now, well, look at here. And there ain't nobody in there. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, that looks like a door that just goes outside. They got this one open so you can go outside there. And there's a place for, I guess, a priest or somebody to go up in so he can have people fall down and worship him. So, you know, no salvation in the Catholic Church, but what can you say? But that's the way they've got that there. Over that door there. Over this door right here. And then from standing up here and looking back where I came in at, that's what it looks like. So you see the big window, the round one right there. And then the ceilings again, you can see they're blue with a little bit of white on the arches. That's the building, pretty much outside and in. Here, let me do this. See, there's another building over here. So you can see the back side of this one here. Let's go over to this one and take a look at it. All right, we're at the doorway, so let's go in here. Okay, looks like a bunch of weaving little baskets and things like that in the corner. And there's some weaving wheels and things right there. Check that out. And some done, and then some in the works here, you can see. Got some pots over here, and look at there. I guess that's cotton. Cotton after it has been ginned, that is after the seeds have been removed. Okay, so it still looks rough. You can see all the various tools here that they've got. There's a cooking pot, a couple of skillets, sharpening an anvil, get your fire going, heat things up and work on those, shoe your horses and whatever. Looks like a place to eat. There, I can take you inside, just show you around. Here, let me show you the ceiling. There's an old wagon wheel right there, and then a fireplace over there to try to keep warm, which today is nearly impossible. But now look at the way they made this window here. Got almost like steps in it. And you can see that building right there that we came out of. So let's go see what else we get. As I left that part of the building down there and thought that was it, I came across this doorway here. It's got these steps right here. So let's use them. And you can see there's a little table. Another little table there. And here, looks like maybe some bones. And I guess maybe use that to paint with, that kind of thing, I guess. And some arrows. There's a knife. Some arrowheads. Hopefully those are coming through. I believe they are. And then they just got a pot over there, a little fireplace over there. And then this little simple window here. And the ceiling looks the same. So, just wanted to add that before I get out. So I'm walking out here and freezing. Just want to show you some of the trees. Now they look in winter all bare, and you can see all the rock walls. There's quite a few of them. See more trees there. This has got a nice Y-shaped it. There's a little area there. And of course that's the main chapel again right there. But we're going to head over here now, and we're going to look at the visitor center. And one other thing right by it. And that should do it for this video, and I can get back in and get warm, hopefully. So, stick with me, and we're almost done. All right, so I'm walking down here. Look at these beautiful trees, especially, of course, the one on the left with the leaves. You can see there's a whole flock of them down there. But that's a gorgeous tree right there, I got to say. And this right here is the visitor center. I just showed it to you from the outside. There used to be a limb right there. Obviously it's gone. Yeah, I can't really get out of here this way. But this is this side of the visitor center. Let me go around and show you some more. And look at the limbs too. All right, now I want you to pause this and read this. And you'll learn about that college there and how old it was. But look at this one. It's a cattle drive. Much older. And check that out. So just pause it, read it. And then down here at the bottom, you see it's even got that little plaque on it. But this right here is the front of the visitor center. So just to show you, if you've never been here, literally right up there is the gate, which was my second clip that I showed you, the entrance. So right from there to right here is the visitor center. And you see it's got these 3 arches here. They got a couple of picnic tables up here. And there's flags up there, but can't get them very good here because of the branches. But let me go out. I want to show those to you. Alright, so there's the flags blowing in the wind. And let me tell you, it's got a lot of coldness in it. And right there's the sign, park headquarters, and that'll be that. Alright, this right here is going to be the last clip of the video, or that's what I got it planned anyway. You see, it's a tree, a dead one anyway, with cactus growing all throughout it. I mean, look at that, up at the top, all the way down here to about halfway down. Check this out. I mean, this is real. You can see all the little spines and everything on this thing. Looks like it's been burned at one point. There's more of them up there. And you see the 2 points. And then right there on that side. I mean, it's just one of the craziest things I don't think I've ever seen of all my travels. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So, you know, thumb it up, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourself now.